Welcome to our Splunk SPL series. Today we'll explore the match command, a powerful tool for pattern matching in Splunk. The match command is used to test if strings match regular expression patterns, returning true or false values. This is particularly useful when you need to validate data formats, filter results based on specific patterns, or create conditional logic in your searches. The basic syntax of the match command is straightforward. You use the pipe symbol followed by match, then specify the field name equals and your regular expression pattern in quotes. The command structure looks like this: pipe match field underscore name equals quote regex underscore pattern quote. When executed, this command returns true if the field matches the pattern, and false otherwise. This Boolean result can then be used for filtering, conditional operations, or creating new fields. Let's look at a practical example using email validation. Here we create a field called email with the value user@domain.com. Then we use the match command to test if this email follows a basic email pattern. The regular expression $w plus at $w plus $w plus $sign checks for word characters, followed by an @ symbol, more word characters, a dot, and ending with word characters. This creates a new field called as underscore email with the value true, since our email matches the pattern. Here's another useful example for detecting private IP addresses. We set a source IP field to 192.168.1.100. Using the match command with the pattern $192.168.d plus $d plus $, we can identify if this is a private IP address. The pattern breaks down as follows. It starts with 192 followed by a literal, then 168 another literal, then any digits another dot, and ending with any digits. This effectively matches IP addresses in the 192.168 range. Case sensitivity is an important consideration when using the match command. By default, regular expressions are case sensitive. In the first example, we have a status field set to error in uppercase. When we match against the lowercase word error, the result is false because the cases don't match. However, we can make our patterns case insensitive by using the $I flag at the beginning of our regular expression. In the second example, using the same error field but with the pattern open parenthesis $I close parenthesis error, the result becomes true because the case insensitive flag ignores the difference between uppercase and lowercase letters. The match command becomes even more powerful when dealing with multiple patterns using alternation. In this example, we're checking HTTP methods to determine if they represent write operations. We set a method field to post, then use the match command with the pattern open parenthesis post pipe put pipe delete close parenthesis. The pipe symbol inside the parentheses acts as an OR operator, meaning the pattern will match if the field contains post, put, or delete. This creates a Boolean field as _write that helps identify write operations versus read operations in HTTP logs. Understanding common regular expression patterns will make you more effective with the match command. Basic patterns include \d plus for matching numbers, \w plus for matching words, caret for the start of a line, and $sign for the end of a line. Advanced patterns include ** for matching any characters, square brackets A through Z for letters only, curly braces 3,5 for repeating elements 3 to 5 times, and open parenthesis I close parenthesis for case-insensitive matching. These building blocks can be combined to create complex patterns for various data validation and extraction needs. Following best practices will help you use the match command effectively and avoid common pitfalls. First, always escape special characters using backslashes when you want to match them literally. For example, to match a literal in a file extension, use \log$. Second, always test your patterns with sample data before deploying them in production searches. This helps identify edge cases and ensures your patterns work as expected. Third, use anchors wisely by adding caret and dollar signs for exact matches to avoid unintended partial matching. For instance, match status $200 ensures you match exactly 200, not values like 1200 or 2001. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.